Many of us find ourselves trapped in a cycle of living paycheck to paycheck, burdened by debt and struggling to make ends meet. But it doesn't have to be this way. Today, we're diving deep into the world of personal finance and sharing practical tips on how to achieve financial freedom. So grab your notebook and let's get started. Step 1. Create a budget. It all starts with a strong financial foundation. The first step is to create a budget. This powerful tool allows you to track your income, expenses, and savings. Remember, every dollar has a purpose. List your sources of income first, then assign money for the necessary expenses like rent, bills, and groceries. Don't forget to set aside some cash for investments and savings as well. Now that you have a budget, let's talk about the importance of an emergency fund. Life is full of unexpected surprises, like car repairs or medical bills. By having an emergency fund, you can tackle these challenges without derailing your financial progress. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in a separate account. Step 2. Crushing debt. Debt can be a massive burden on your financial well-being. It's time to crush it. Start by making a list of all your debts, including credit cards, student loans, and any outstanding balances. Next, develop a debt repayment plan. Consider the snowball or avalanche method, where you focus on paying off one debt at a time. Cut back on unnecessary expenses and use the extra money to accelerate your debt payments. Remember, achieving financial freedom is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay disciplined and consistent with your debt repayment strategy and you'll soon find yourself one step closer to a debt-free life. Step 3. Investing for the future. Now that you've built a solid foundation and eliminated debt, it's time to think about investing for the future. Investing can be intimidating, but it's a crucial step to grow your wealth. Start by educating yourself on different investment options, such as stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and real estate. Consider working with a financial advisor to develop a personalized investment plan. Diversify your investment portfolio to reduce the risk. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Remember, investing is a long-term game. Stay patient and avoid making impulsive decisions based on short-term market fluctuations. Step 4. Maximizing income potential. While managing your expenses and investing wisely are vital, increasing your income can significantly accelerate your financial goals. Look for opportunities to boost your earning potential, such as acquiring new skills, taking on a side hustle, or advancing in your career. By increasing your income, you'll have more resources to save, invest, and achieve your financial dreams faster. But it's not just about earning more, it's about managing your money wisely. As your income increases, avoid lifestyle inflation and instead prioritize saving and investing for the future. Keep in mind that achieving financial success involves building money, not just making it appear that way. Well, there you have it, practical steps to achieve personal financial freedom. It's time to take control of your financial destiny, one step at a time. Remember, it's never too late to start, and small actions today can lead to significant results tomorrow. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more wealth building tips. Until next time.